Effective public speaking tips for beginners. Their ability to communicate effectively and persuade others is frequently awe-inspiring. As a candidate, a leader's ability to talk confidently in front of a large group is the most important asset. Others, on the other hand, found it a joyful and thrilling way to express themselves when they had to stand in front of a crowd. Even when you're a public speaker, it's important to practice your speech. We expect you to do this for them. Preparation for a speech is not an easy task. Your best foot must always be on the other side. Starting strong and concluding with a thought-provoking conclusion are two of the best ways to capture your audience's attention and maybe inspire them to take action. Here are some useful hints to help you with your speaking. Content. A well-crafted speech. The conclusion of your presentation is critical to properly conveying your point. Decide whether you're delivering a speech to convince, enlighten, or entertain your audience. The main topic of your speech should be a single message that you want to convey. Know the goals of the event where you'll be speaking. Your speech should be personalized to the audience you are speaking to. Your discussion should be filled with facts and numbers if necessary, but you should be able to describe them in simple terms during your presentation. Information should come from reliable sources that can be relied upon for accuracy and objectivity. Use attention-grabbing names to attract in more audience members. Appearance guidelines for public speaking. A speaker's body language, including gestures, movements, and facial and bodily expressions, reveals a lot about his or her knowledge of the subject matter. Those who speak in front of large crowds should do it with a pleasant demeanor that conveys energy and assurance. Stay in the audience's sightline and avoid reading from a prepared speech. Keep in mind that speaking, rather than reading, is the preferred method of communication. Make an effort to look your best. Input from you. In order to be taken seriously as a public speaker, it is critical that you convey your ideas clearly and convincingly. Speak slowly, pronounce your words correctly, take pauses, and convey the right emotions when discussing a subject you care about in a speech you're preparing to give. Most importantly, make eye contact with everyone in the room. If your audience has questions or comments, reply to them by speaking, listening, responding, adjusting, and adapting. Humor, handouts, and audio-visual aids are all acceptable additions to speeches. Make sure that you know when to stop speaking. Thank you for listening. Join our Facebook group, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and grab your free courses by visiting our website.